Namaskar, welcome to my mythology channel. Here I am going to be telling you about mythological stories. Today I am going to be talking about the first avatar of Vishnu in his Dashavataram. First, let me tell you why he took the Dashavataram. Bhumi Devi was facing a lot of troubles on earth. She is earth. Bhumi Devi is earth if you didn't know. She went to Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu promised her that he would take 10 avatars on her earth and would protect her from all the evils. Bhumi Devi thanked Mahavishnu and she left. Mahavishnu's first avataram is Matsya. Matsya is actually an avatar of a fish. Once there was a king called Manu. He lived in the Satya Yuga, which is the first yuga in the 4 yugas. The 4 yugas are Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. We are in Kali Yuga. In the Satya Yuga there was Manu. Manu was a pious king. He was an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu. One day, when Manu had finished his bath, a small fish came into his hand. When Manu was going to throw it back into the river, the small fish spoke. "Please, Manu, don't throw me back into the river." Manu agreed, but he was surprised that the fish could talk. He took the fish with him and put it in a fish ball in his kingdom. But after some time, the bowl with the fish, in that the fish had become big. The fish could not fit in the bowl. So Manu ordered his men to take the fish to a pond. In the pond also the fish grew bigger. Manu ordered to put the fish in river Ganges. But in river Ganges too the fish became bigger. Now this was getting really too much for Manu. Manu put it in the ocean now. It became too big for the ocean also. Manu started crying that he could not help the creature and he prayed to Mahavishnu to tell him who this creature was. Then Mahavishnu revealed that he was the fish. It was his first avatar, the Matsya avatar. Manu bowed at the feet of Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu told Manu, "I have appeared in this form so that I can start a new generation. I want you to start a new generation. Because the world will be destroyed by floods in 7 days." So Vishnu told Manu to take one creature of every kind and 7 holy sages with him to Mount Himavan. There Vishnu would guide him further. Manu agreed and was very happy to carry out his Lord's command. But when he took all the species, one kind of every species, and the 7 holy sages with him to Mount Himavan, there was a huge tide which approached Manu's ship. He could not do anything. So Vishnu appeared in the form of Matsya again. And he ordered Adishesha to tie the ship to his body. And Vishnu as Matsya carried the ship to Mount Himavan. And the floods subdued after a week and Manu survived. Manu was very happy. Lord Vishnu came and told Manu, "Oh Manu, I have selected you for this task of starting a new generation because of your selfless devotion to mankind. Now, start a new generation. Let everyone be prosperous." I must now take leave of you. My purpose of my first avatar has been completed.